Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the Aussie dollar, I'm definitely still looking at this as three waves up for a W, three waves down for an X, one, two, three waves up for an ABC of wave Y, which I still think is likely to bring it up above these two previous highs. So, keeping that in mind, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this right here is the A of Y. This three waves down, WXY is a B of wave Y. That would make this a 1 of C, and most likely an ABC 2 of C. If this is correct, which I think it is, then this should, on this weekly time frame, continue to make higher highs, higher lows in a wave 3 of wave C, which is a wave C of wave Y, because a wave Y should be an ABC pattern. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the trend is definitely still up until we actually break structure to the downside right here. I am definitely primarily looking for buys at the end of pullbacks. Now it does kind of resemble something that potentially could go down, and I honestly think that it probably should go down, take out the low of wave 4 before it actually goes up, making a more proper wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3. But it definitely doesn't have to do that, and the fact that the trend is up tells me that I definitely should be primarily on the long side, looking for longs at the end of pullbacks on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last big push down. Now this definitely could be an ABC correction right here. Definitely looks like an uptrend. Looks like three waves down. Kind of looks like another push up for a possible wave C. If it is a wave C, then it definitely will break structure on shorter time frames, and it definitely will start a downtrend. And you should be able to recognize the end of a trend on shorter time frames if it really is a wave C. If it's not a wave C, then this is just making a bounce out the Fibonacci level just because it's an area of support and resistance. It may just end up making a correction down, and it may just continue to make those higher highs and those higher lows. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, I am either one waiting for a very significant structure break, which we do not have yet, or I would be waiting for a three-way pullback and a higher low to go long again, which I think is the more likely scenario. If it goes down and breaks structure, then definitely I would take that as the end of a wave C, and I would definitely start looking for shorts. If it doesn't go down and break structure, but instead makes a three-way pullback and a higher low, then I would definitely continue to look for longs, because every single higher time frame all the way up from the monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour time frame is telling us that we're in an uptrend and that we should be looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.